this is Hunter Moore. This is actually my first video on YouTube. And if you're wondering what I look like, I'm right here. Alright, so today I'm gonna give you a tour of my house. Don't pay attention to anything. Go. Okay, we're going. Samson, my dog, gets on my nerves. It's pretty dark in here. You might hear a weird sound. There's my fan running, but there's this weird sound that's in my living room. Listen. If you figured out what that sound is, please leave it in the comments below. And I actually have changed my mind. We're not going to do a tour of my house. We're gonna party. Just kidding. Let's hope I don't get any dislikes in this video. My dad taking me to new movies. There's this movie, Maleficent. Look at her. And there's everyone knows this. It's Olaf in Frozen. There's Hans, the idiot. Hans, Anna, Spin, Kristoff, and Elsa. Oh, still can't forget about Olaf. Well, since this is my first video, this will be the last thing that I am going to do. Look at that. Guardians of the Galaxy. And my dad got Avengers. My dad got all these for me, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you liked it. I will see you next episode, and goodbye.